everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Hajra. Today we are reading Sue Kangaroo. So let's get started. This is school and this is Sue and this is Mummy Kangaroo. The teacher's name is Mrs. Drew. She says hello to Mum and Sue. This is Sue, says Mrs. Drew. To be kind to her, she's new. Time to paint, says Mrs. Drew. Sue says, I like red and blue. Time to glue, says Mrs. Drew. Sue can glue a kangaroo. Dinner time, says Mrs. Drew. This is yummy stew, says Sue. Music time, says Mrs. Drew. I can play the spoons, says Sue. Toot toot, boom boom. Home time soon, says Mrs. Drew. But what is in your pocket, Sue? Sue takes out a tube of glue. She takes some spoons and paint out too. The school has rules, says Mrs. Drew. You can't take those things home with you. Sue is sad. Don't cry, says Prue. Play with them tomorrow, Sue. Is there school tomorrow too? Is that true? Hooray! Says Sue. Here is Mummy Kangaroo. Hi, Mom. School is cool, says Sue.